It's a nice and warm day today, and I'm feeling for something quite refreshing and light for dinner. So let's make my peanut butter sesame cold noodles.
What's the word?
Peanut butter.
So here we have the final dish. We've got our cold peanut butter noodles with our Thai beef, some cucumbers, and a nectarine. And then we've got our homemade kimchi and homemade pickled daikon and carrots to go with it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do this. Apologies to anyone who's watching me eat my noodle technique. It's very wrong.
How's it? It's good?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. It's none for George. I made that the other day.
I know, I've been waiting to try this. I'm waiting for the opportune moment.
I low-key think I made noodles today so that we could eat this, finish this beef and eat the pickles as well, because I've been wanting to eat it for a while. Good feedback? Notes? No notes.
No notes.